The 2024 Renault Grand Kangoo, building on the success of its predecessor, marks 25 years of innovation in the leisure MPV segment. With a robust design and the distinction of being the first to introduce a sliding side door, the Kangoo has sold over 4.4 million units globally, with the electric version leading its segment since 2011. The Grand Kangoo, an extended version, retains all the strengths of the original and introduces additional features, emphasizing practicality and innovation. The Grand Kangoo impresses with its interior versatility, offering 3 proper seats in the second row and 2 in the third, accommodating 7 adults comfortably. The vehicle boasts best-in-class knee radius in the third row and over 58 liters of accessible storage space, including innovative features like the Easy Life sliding drawer. The boot space of 500 liters, expandable to 3,750 liters, and the option for 5 independent rear seats with versatile configurations further enhance its functionality. The vehicle's safety features are enhanced with 14 driving aids, including Level 2 autonomous driving, showcasing a commitment to improving safety standards. The interior maintains the Kangoo's signature design with a dashboard finished in brushed dark wood, providing comfort and improved ergonomics. Access to the third row is facilitated by wide sliding doors and folding seats in the second row, emphasizing convenience for passengers of all ages. The Grand Kangoo E-Tech electric variant introduces a 45 kWh lithium-ion battery with up to 265 kilometers of WLTP range, making it a compelling option for everyday use. The electric model features various driving modes and regenerative braking options, providing 6 different driving styles to optimize comfort and range. The dual-zone climate control system with a heat pump contributes to maintaining optimal range throughout the year. Charging options for the electric variant include a 22 kW AC fast charger and a standard 22 kW AC DC 80 kW charger, catering to diverse driving needs. The model also offers connected services through the Renault smartphone app or the Renault Easy Link multimedia system, allowing for scheduled charging, remote battery monitoring, and assistance in finding charging stations. Renault's Mobage factory, a center of excellence for electric vehicles, has played a crucial role in the production of the Kangoo series. As part of the electricity hub, Renault aims to produce 480,000 electric vehicles annually by 2025. The factory's investment of €450 million and the addition of a new battery assembly workshop underline Renault's commitment to top-quality production and job creation in the region. The 2024 Renault Grand Kangoo represents a milestone in the evolution of the leisure MPV segment, offering a blend of innovation, practicality, and versatility. The electric variant, with its advanced features and commitment to sustainability, positions the Grand Kangoo as a compelling choice for a diverse range of customers.